Okay, let's get started. I always use a little dusting of face powder on my brows. This will remove any oil residual from face cream or sweat. You can also use a blotting paper if you don't like to use powder. Then we go in and small strokes, not a lot of pressure. There you go. See how with brow makeup and without brow makeup, it really does lift your face, at least mine here. But it works really, really well in any makeovers that I have done for clients, for models, for brides. Okay, let's do the other side. So I'm using the color Truffle in our Brow and Eye Pen. This is a brand new product that literally had just arrived. Okay. So what I like to do too is I use a clean mascara wand. You can use an old mascara wand, but make sure you wash it well with soap and hot water, and then make sure it's dry. You don't want to use any wet mascara wand on your brows. So sometimes there will be sections of your brow, and for those of you who have the same issue, that would grab a bit more ink. So for that reason, like right here for me, this particular area here grabbed a bit more ink. I like to use a clean mascara wand and just blend it out. Now it's just nice and natural. And the same here. There you go. It's really easy to use this product. It's very buildable, so if you have areas on your brows that requires a bit more coverage, say over tweezing, bald spots, alopecia, you name it, you can use this product to remedy and easily use on the remainder of your brow. Blend. Use your fingers to blend just to soften it look a little, or a clean mascara wand as I was using earlier. And yeah, so it comes in two colors. I use Truffle in the Brow and Eye Pen. For those with gray hair or platinum color hair or even very cool blonde hair, there is a gray, and it's called Ash in the collection. So that is the color that actually was requested by many of my customers who basically says, you know, we want a really nice ash gray color for my brows. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and I can't wait for you to try this product out. Thank you.